Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $300? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Pro 3D Printer. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times. The maximum printing speed up to 500 mm per second. Recommended print speed is 300 mm per second. Equipped with a high-performance Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor, providing abundant computing power for faster calculation and command execution, which results in 10x faster printing. By utilizing an optimized direct extruder and a movement structure in the extrusion system and cooling system, it can effectively and precisely deliver the filament, quickly melt and cool to form, and run smoothly to reduce layer lines. One-click vibration compensation. By detecting the resonance frequency of the X/Y-axis with an internally built accelerometer G sensor, smart adjustments are made to motion control, effectively eliminating resonance vertical lines and bracket lines. By designing a unique module, it can intelligently compensate for Z-axis offset, while also supporting custom Z-axis compensation values, meeting the needs of different users and usage environments. After upgrading the printer firmware to version 3.0.5 or above, the ANYCUBIC app offers support for various features, including online model library search, real-time video supervision and status monitoring, online slicing and printing, time-lapse recording, as well as remote control and management. Number 2. Creality Ender3 S1 3D Printer. The Ender3 S1 Pro is a new and improved version of the very successful Ender 3, equipped with a newly developed direct dual-gear extruder, automatic bed leveling, 32-bit silent mainboard, among other things. The S1 Pro is a very affordable printer with everything you could wish for at this price point. Ender 3 S1 and Ender 3 S1 Pro use direct drive extruders. The distance is shorter in a direct drive and the retraction too. Ender 3 S1 Pro upgrade to the full metal dual gear direct extruder with an extrusion force of 80 newtons ensures smooth feeding when printing with different filaments, especially the flexible TPU. It's compatible with multiple filaments, such as PLA, ABS, PVA, wood, TPU, PETC, and PAR, providing more possibilities for creation. It can handle high temperatures a lot better than the one used in Ender 3 S1. You can easily remove it if you want since it gets attached to magnetic swell. It is compatible with AZA, TPU, PLA, wood, PETC, part, and silk as well as other types of filaments. It removes all the small issues you have while printing. It truly takes no effort to take out the print when printing is over. You simply bend the base, and the model detaches itself from it. Maximize your creativity with a generous print size that accommodates a variety of projects. Experience efficient printing with adjustable print speeds to suit your project requirements. Number 3. BIQU B1C Plus 3D Printer. 3D printer with a working area with dimensions 310 by 310 by 340 mm. The device is equipped with an efficient motherboard with a 32-bit ARM Cortex M4 processor and TMC stepper motor drivers. The BIQU B1C Plus has a filament sensor and a wake-up function after power restoration. The surface of the heating bed provides increased adhesion and at the same time easy removal of 3D models after work. The printer is delivered in the form of a kit for self-assembly. The printing area of the BIQU B1C Plus is as much as 310 by 310 by 340 mm. The device allows you to form large, complex prints without the need to divide them into smaller fragments. Such a large size of the working field will certainly prove useful in most DIY projects. Thanks to the automatic leveling function, the process of setting up the device to work is much shorter and easier. It also allows you to avoid errors that may have a negative impact on the final quality of 3D prints. The printer driver is based on the ARM Cortex-M4 processor. It ensures efficient work and fast processing. This means even better quality 3D prints. The motherboard also allows the easy expansion of the B1C Plus with additional functions. The quiet TMC controller ensures stable operation and faster heat dissipation. The fan system effectively cools both the printer components and the nozzle without causing excessive noise. Additionally, it increases the comfort of work. Number 4. Geeetech A10T 3D Printer. Geeetech A10T 3D Printer, adopting open source GT 2560 control board, delivers mixed-color objects and greatly enriches your 3D printing life. Keeping the good performance of Geeetech 3D printers, it aims to provide users with quality printout and satisfactory printing experience. The modularized design provides you with an easier assembly experience. Its classic blue and black color combo imparts a touch of simplicity and excellence, embodying commitment of Geeetech to quality products. Keeping Prusa i3 3D printer's gantry structure and with its build volume as 220mm, 220mm, 250mm, A10T makes the best of the building platform and enables you to view the printing details in 360 degrees. Printing at the accuracy of 0.1mm, it delivers objects with smooth surface finish, clear angles and strong structure. Besides, A10T comes with filament detector and break resuming capability, greatly enhancing your 3D printing experience. Its well-designed extruder greatly reduces the risk of clogging or leaking. A10T extruder cover features 360 degrees ventilation design, greatly enhancing the dissipation of heat and guaranteeing excellent printing quality. A10T extruder motor uses a gear train of 3:1 speed ratio, amplifying input torque and improving your printing experience. Adopting the modularized design for extruder wiring, A10T makes it easy to exchange the wire. The V-shaped wheels and rails on each axis, made from wear-resistant aluminum profile, could, in a large measure, reduce the printing noise and offer you a quiet 3D printing environment. Number 5. Soval SV7 Plus 3D Printer. Clipper firmware allows SV7 Plus to speed up to 500mm per second at maximum. SV7 Plus is equipped with 480 by 800 high-resolution 5-inch touchscreen, which brings you totally different experience from knob screen and normal 4.3-inch touchscreen in the market. Clipper also offers a range of function options, including the height map and input shaper, while you could DIY based on your specific needs. All metal hot end comes with a larger melt zone, which offers high flow up to 20 to 30 cubic millimeters/s that greatly reduces the possibility of clogging. An extra large fan at the rear of the extruder offers triple airflows to quickly cool prints and ensures good layering for better results. It makes the high speed and high temperature possible at the same time. No more PTFE replacements or firmware flashes needed to print with different materials easily, like ABS. Nylon equipped with 600 watts mean well power supply. SV7 Plus brings super excellent and stable heating performance. Upgraded 420 watts heated bed can be heated to 60 C in 90 seconds, which is 30 seconds faster at least than most printers in the market. All sizes. If you own a SV7 Plus, not only you own a 300 by 300 by 315 larger print volume printer, but also you get super faster heating speed and printing speed. With Sovol's self-developed direct drive extruder that comes with planetary dual gear set, SV7 Plus offers a higher drive ratio and lighter motor for precise extrusion. We also have added a large external knob to make feeding easier, so you can focus on your printing project with minimal interruptions. SV7 Plus features 25-point auto leveling with an inductive sensor to detect and compensate for unevenness in the heated bed. This precise and smart technology makes it possible to get a fantastic first layer. Note: set initial layer height to 0.3 mm when slicing will help you get optimal results. If you have any adhesion issue, we recommend you to wipe the pay surface with alcohol before the next printing.